Change the grease zerk. What else was I gonna do? Oh yeah, change this filter. Supposed to have a special wrench to get that out of there.
And you don't have it?
I might have it. I'll have to look for it. Oh, this one don't even have one. That's odd. So,
It doesn't have what?
see that how it has that shape in the center?
Sorry.
Yeah, well, of course it's going to do that.
Sorry, I didn't mean to trip on it.
Well, you will trip on anything and everything.
All right, now show me what you need to show me.
The center right here, see how that's got a star shape?
Oh,
This one don't have that.
oh, so is it the wrong filter?
It better not be.
Uh-oh. I do see the star shape. Oh,
Yeah, even the top of it's different. Must be a different year or something.
oh.
Let's see what it'd take to get that off of there.
Well, so then if you put that one in there and it's the wrong one, then you've ruined it and wasted your money on it, right?
Well, I gotta get it out of there and see if I can get it in there. What was the third one? Here it is.
And you decided that it is the wrong filter.
Yeah,
How did that happen?
I don't know. Just did.
I mean, it'd be a shame to ruin a good filter. I mean, like, would that go to another? Could that be used on another vehicle, on the 150 maybe?
No.
That couldn't be used on the 150.
Not even close.
Oh. Well, I mean, I just hate for it to go to waste and not be used.
Well, I've been carrying around for nearly 5 years.
Oh, you've had that for 5 years?
Yeah.
Oh.
I only carry it for emergency purposes.
Okay, so obviously you're not going to be able to do the fuel filter today then.
Yeah, well, that's easy enough to get to. It's right there.
Would you feel good about getting the oil changed today?
Yeah, I gotta do something about that grease there too.
So by doing all this stuff yourself, how much do you think money you saved by doing it yourself?
I have no idea, but I know if you go to a dealership, they're gonna take you to the bank. And then if you go to a Quick Lube, you don't know what they're doing. I don't even think they know what they're doing. So just take care of it myself.
All right, well, you're a man that can do almost anything, Stephen.
A man that can do anything.
Well, you are, and I'm awfully proud of you. You want to tell everybody how you rebuilt your first car when you were 9 years old?
Well, I didn't rebuild it by myself. When I was 9, my dad and I built a 1958 Apache. I can't remember, 100. Anyway, so it was a Stowbolt 6. We bought it and it blew up, and that's how I learned how to. And then when I was, so I built several motors after that, motorcycle motors, three Cleveland 351s, and so on and so on. So after that, I was on my way. I mean, I wasn't a professional by no means, but I knew how to pull out the cylinders and the rods and mains and oil pump and the heads and all that stuff and put them back on.
Well, not many people can do that.
Not many.
I'm very impressed.
Yeah, back in those days, kids did everything adults would do. And I don't like getting beat with a 2x4, so I did what I had to do.
Well, you've certainly invested some time on this Saturday morning. It's almost 12 o'clock noon. So now we're moving into the afternoon.
Yeah, well, I needed to change that oil. That's ridiculous that I've let it go that long.
That's unusual for you.
Well, I mean, the only reason why I let it go is because I never used the darn thing. It just sat out there. The only time it's ever gotten any use going to church and back, which is less than a mile away. How much use are you going to get out of it driving a mile back and forth? Take it to town, put fuel in it. But since I've been using it a lot lately, figured I better get her lubed up. I hadn't been under it in a long time. Best to get up under there and check things out once in a while. So you know what you're looking at, what's going on, see what's going on. Once again, ladies and gentlemen.
Wow, man, you are really sweating. Look at that, rolling off your forehead.
Anytime I put these rubber gloves on.
Ew! Ew! No! Oh, it's splashy.
You want a drink?
Oh, man! Oh! That's a lot of sweat in those gloves.
Anytime I put those on with this coveralls, I'll sweat a gallon.
Oh my goodness. Well, you're burning calories doing that.
Yeah, and according to your mom, I need to be burning some calories.
Oh yeah.
I've been eating no food. But, so if you're on a no carb, no sugar diet, you can eat all the fried chicken you want. But you have to watch what it's cooked in, because if it's cooked in the wrong kind of oil, then it's bad for your arteries.
Yeah, I saw my mother yesterday, and she said, I saw a video of Stephen eating chicken, fried chicken, and y'all had ice cream. Y'all had fried chicken and ice cream.
Yeah,
So
you got to be able to
Mom's been spying on us.
treat yourself once in a while. But I'm still not 245 pounds, so I'm only 175. So I can handle that. Anywho, ladies and gentlemen, Ricky B's giving me the finger, so better be getting off here before I get in trouble with the boss. God bless. Have a wonderful Saturday. Later.